Hey, this is Dovinh with Marketplace, Sotheby's International Realty. I'm very excited to show you this beautiful Edmonds view home. Let's go check it out. Welcome into this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,370 square foot Pacific Northwest home. I love this open concept, super high ceiling, bunch of windows here in this front living great room. It opens right up into this formal dining room, and check out this view. Coming out of this formal dining area leads into this beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas range for all you chefs out there. We have this beautiful breakfast bar, all while you're enjoying the beautiful Edmonds waterfront. So let's go check this out. We have a second living room area here, and then what's nice is there's a second entrance here. You can use this as a mudroom, but it's also a laundry area with newer washer and dryer. Check it out. So I didn't mention as we walked in, but there is a guest bathroom and a nice area for them to put their coats. Now let's go upstairs. One thing I really love about this home is all the unique angles. It almost feels like you're in a nautical boathouse. There's pocket windows and there's great skylights throughout. Welcome into the gorgeous master bedroom. Here we have high vaulted ceilings, and you're gonna tire of hearing me say it, but you can wake up and see this gorgeous view right outside your window. Here in the master bathroom, we have a jetted tub, shower, toilet, double vanity, and right off of it is this awesome walk-in closet. So now we're gonna check out the other bedrooms up here on the top floor. To the right here, we have another bedroom with a gorgeous view. We have a full bathroom here, but I want to show you this special room. We actually have a deck right off of here, and this is my favorite part. So if I was a little kid, I would absolutely love my bunk bed here. Can have a loft, another great view, and I can store all my things right down here. So boom, we're downstairs. Behind me is another bedroom and another bath with a double vanity and an attached garage. But I wanted to show you this very special room. And right behind me is a cute kitchenette, perfect for mother-in-law unit. And this is a great place to have a rec room or a movie theater, a great place to entertain or just relax. Now that we've seen the beautiful inside of this home, let's take a look at what it all has to offer here on the outside. You have this gorgeous large deck here, great for entertaining, grilling. You could also go up and just lounge and take a look at your gorgeous view. You could play lawn games here or just lounge with your fire pit, or you could go down to your peaceful pond and just enjoy the peaceful water. This property has it all. Gorgeous views of the waterfront, 3 covered garage spaces for you, multiple decks, great sized property, all with this Pacific Northwest abode feel to it. I can't wait to see y'all in Edmonds.